In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Vigilante Deku in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, when you join Heroes Battlegrounds for the first time, one of the standard characters that you will have access to is going to be the green hero. So you will have your standard moveset, and you might have noticed that some people have access to the mastered green hero, which is known as Vigilante Deku. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you what you have to do to properly unlock and play as Vigilante Deku. So to play as him, you will have to fill out the mastery bar. You can find the mastery points that you have by clicking on this icon right here between your accessories and the option to access different servers. So when you click here, you will see the progress. So right now, I have basically 0% towards my mastery. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about all of the ways in which you will be able to get mastery. However, if you just want to use the mastered green hero or Vigilante Deku, all that you have to do is click on characters and then click on this icon right here. If you have him unlocked, you will be able to play as him. So click on this little circle at the right side of green hero. Now, in order for you to get mastery points, you have three main ways to do this. The first one is going to be through the daily quests. So you will notice that I have a quest active, Awaken 3 times, and this will reward me with 5% mastery. You can get daily quests from this NPC, and he will give you a choice between 3 daily quests. So Awaken 3 times, kill 5 villains, or destroy Tell 3s. And as the name suggests, you can only get one of these per day. The next way to get mastery points is going to be by killing Namu. So if you stay in a private server for 30 minutes, eventually Namu will spawn, and if you participate in killing him, you will be able to get mastery points. You can do the same thing on a public server, but it takes longer for him to appear. The last method is going to be by killing other players. Every player that you kill will give you 0.5% mastery. So essentially, every 2 players you kill, you will be able to get 1%. So in total, to get a full 100% mastery, you would need to kill 200 players. After you get the awakened form by filling out this bar, you will be able to click here and then transform into Vigilante Deku. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Vigilante Deku Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.